Good morning, DGens. What's going on, guys? All right, let's have a look at JASMY this morning. Right now, down 5.5% on the day, down 4 spots in rank to 68. Still up 71% on the week, 126% on the month, and 708% on the year, guys. $2.31 billion market cap. Market cap still looking nice and juicy. Volume is way down to 556.01 million. So nobody's really buying or selling it right now. It's just kind of going sideways. 4 cents 779. So we've fallen below that 5 cent level, but as long as we hold above 4 cents 4, for me, I mean, I wanted to hold above 5 cents 5 cents even, but as long as we're holding above 4 cents 4, which was the massive psychological level, if we go over to the chart, right, as you can see down here, right, this was our last high, 4 cents 4. As long as we stay above here, this purple line, then we're okay, in my opinion. I'm going to get rid of this here. Then we're okay. We're fine, right? I wanted to stay in here, maybe ping pong, but so far it has not worked out that way. Stay above 4 cents 4, continued consolidation to the upside. That's what we'll see. I'm going to bring up the Bitcoin chart here and see what's going on there. We have our weekly close also tomorrow, guys. That's going to be very, very important. If we close above 4 cents 4 to 5 cents, very, very bullish. Bitcoin just kind of neutral right now. Had some buying pressure, some selling pressure, sitting at 99,600. Just kind of ping-ponging, guys. It would be nice to get close a weekly above 100K. But listen, guys, as long as we're closing candles up here above 98,600, that was our resistance level, a very significant resistance level. If we can close our dailies and our weeklies above there, we're going to see further continuation to the upside. So let's go have a look over at the Bitcoin dominance. That's the Dixie. All right, getting into the Bitcoin dominance continues to collapse to the downside. That's what you want to see, guys. If we want to see the altcoins continue to the upside, then we need to see Bitcoin dominance continue. I want to see it below 40 to 50% if you really want to see altcoins start to take off. So until that happens, we could see a bounce back on the Bitcoin dominance because a lot of people were not anticipating altcoin season until probably the middle of January anyway. So we could theoretically see a bounce back on the Bitcoin dominance. It's not guaranteed, but another deep dive conversation we've been having over on the Patreon is we've been speculating a lot, comparing this cycle to the 2017 cycle and seeing where we think the market's going to top and what month, like what time of next year it's going to top. If you want to get in on those conversations, guys, and you want to get in on the alpha and understand how this cycle is mimicking the 2017, where we think that this market's going to top, get over to the Patreon and join the conversation. We do group Zoom calls every day, and join the conversation. Add your 2 cents to it. Let us know what you think. Ask your questions. We're all there to answer your questions and support you. We have everyone from seasoned veterans to beginners over there, guys. So definitely join the conversation. If you've never been to an altcoin season before, guys, there's no shame in having your hand held through an altcoin season by a community of people who've been through multiple altcoin seasons, if it means you can make life-changing wealth for you and your family, right? And that you get the experience going into the next bull run as well, right? So you know what you're doing next cycle. So join the community, guys. We'd love to have you over there. The link's in the description. You can schedule one-on-one coaching sessions with me. You can join our group Zoom calls we do every day. And we record them, so then we repost them as well. I also give update videos over there, exclusive Patreon-only content. In fact, I made a change in my portfolio today, and I'm recording a video to upload over there so that everybody knows what I'm doing in my portfolio, and they can decide whether they want to do the same thing. I sold some things. I took some profit. I rolled some profits into some other stuff that hasn't pumped yet. If you want help with that kind of stuff, again, get over to the Patreon. We can help you design an exit strategy and a profit-taking plan so that you don't get left behind. All right, analysts suggest significant JASMY pump to 8 cents to 10 cents in 2 days, as others predict cycle tops of $12. Bitcoin pumped earlier this week and set a new all-time high. Its first ever 6-digit all-time high at $103,900. Soon after, the price of Bitcoin fell, followed by a healthy correction phase, which brings us to Bitcoin's current position. A steady sideways movement. Silver-tongued analysts expect a steady trading movement between 90,000 and 110,000's price range till the end of the year. After this, the analyst expects to see Bitcoin's next big trend top all-time high between 125,000 and 135,000. Once this is set, BTC's price will likely tackle the next year, working towards setting what may likely be this cycle's top of $200,000 price range. In the wake of Bitcoin's bullish action, several altcoins exhibit the same bullish frenzy. To highlight, Sui and Ondo both set new all-time highs alongside Bitcoin's latest all-time high. Meanwhile, several altcoins pumped between 100% and almost 500%. These include ADA, VeChain, Vitho, Doge, SHIB, and XRP. Similarly, another popular asset known as the Bitcoin of Japan, JASMY, has also gained great attention from crypto traders across the world. Here's Phoenix ICF. JASMY is on the verge of a symmetrical triangle breakout, potentially leading to 10 cents. What's your target this time? Recently, JASMY's price broke out of two bullish patterns and seems to be on the breakout of another bullish pattern, a symmetrical triangle breakout, which is potentially heading to 10 cents. More bullish reports from crypto analysts suggest JASMY will soon hit 50 cents and then $1.80 in 2025, suggesting cycle top prices between $3 to $12. Crypto Front says JASMY is about to pump 400% against Bitcoin. We are in for a real treat. The analyst in the post above suggests a 400% price pump that expects a big treat ahead of JASMY holders. Another analyst is so bullish that he expects JASMY's price to pump significantly over the next day or two, leading JASMY to hit the price of 8 to 10 cents in a short period. Presently, the price of JASMY lies at 5 cents. So are we going to see an 8 to 10 cent JASMY price in the next 2 days? Should be very interesting. Do I think that JASMY will hit $3 to $12 in this cycle? No. Do I think it's realistic to hit 50 cents to $1.80? That's more in my range of what I'm looking for. Yes. So, but $3 to $12 maybe in the next cycle when we get a good TVL in the ecosystem. But for now, no. And then Hara was also talking about grants and stuff like that for projects to launch in their ecosystem. So that's actually very, very bullish as well. So the ecosystem may do very, very well. We'll see what happens. But as always, guys, click like if you like this video, click subscribe if you really liked it. And once again, guys, schedule your one-on-one coaching sessions with me over on the Patreon. Join our group Zoom calls that we do every single day. Get your exit strategy designed, built, get your exit price points put in, your sell orders so that you know what you're doing. You have your plan in place. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Do not set yourself up for failure. If you have never been through an altcoin season before, it's not going to play out the way that you think it is. Trying to just wing it never works out well for people their first time around. Get the help from a community that knows what they're doing, and we will help you get where you need to be. All right, guys. So once again, click like if you like this video, click subscribe if you really liked it, and I will see you guys in the next one.